What's up everybody, it is the Sailor back with another video, and today we're going to be playing the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, and we're going to be doing the road to Leatherface level 10. That is a tongue twister right there, but as you can see I've got Blood Banker on, Hurt Pride and Rough Cut, and let's just change the execution real fast. And we've only upgraded the savagery a bit. As you see, I don't have any more skill points because I only just started this build, I'm not gonna lie, like obviously, and I started a few days ago, so don't make fun of me in the comments please, and I hope you enjoy the video. Alright, let's get into it, baby. Boom. Oh, the awakened grandpa as well. Swear if they got out the basement, I am gonna be cooked. Well, not actually. Who's the other people? Alright. Damn. Where the frick am I going, bro? Oh, hey. How you? How are you doing? Where am I going? Where the fuck did she go? Are you here maybe? Yeah, I don't know where she went. I think she might have gone to the gap of it. Oh, fuck. Guys, I think I need tips in the comments, honestly. Damn, she set my ass. But what is this something I can't see on here, I don't think. Where are they? Down here? No. Just wait for our stamina to go up a bit. But where? Just gonna stay down here for a bit just to have a look. I might just go upstairs. Can't see anyone around. Yeah, I think it's time to go upstairs. They're gonna be in there for a treat. Did I just hear someone? Was that just my conscience? Yeah, I think it's just me. Anyway. Why does he sound like he's autistic or something? Is he autistic? Let me know in the comments. I really don't know. Probably is, knowing him. But where's the door? No! Yeah, I have to go upstairs now. I'm such a noob, bro. Yeah, just go over here. It's a stairs one, of course. Where the can I go through here? Of course I can't. It's a generate. So there's people down here, huh? Save my staminas. Come here, Maria. No, bro, I'm so ass. Come here, bitch. Oh, finally, bro. It only took me like 5 minutes. Of course. Oh. Oh, they went down a well. Alright. Hey, bitch. Who are you running from? Go, 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 go. Damn. Why am I doing that, bro? Yes. Finally. Oh, sick. But can someone let me know in the comments? Is this made by the same people that made Friday the 13th and Dead by Daylight? Or just one of them or something? Oh, so they're down there. And the AFK, better looks. So I had to go down there. Oh, I come back up. Oh, I stay here, I mean. Alright, let me just, oh, my chainsaw isn't fucking thinged. Go. Hey, Cook. Forgot his name for a second. Don't judge. Oh, for God's sake. Wait. What are these people? Ooh, oh, my vial's full, damn. I need to put my blood harvesting up. Anywhere? No. Nowhere? That looks. Nope. Fuck. Why am I going over there? Hey, bitch. Yes. Is it done now? No, it's not. I should have said it bled out then. Oh yeah, she died. Yeah. Alright. It's good. Not the best first match. Only got one kill and I was lost for like all of it. But on to the next one. Alright. Let's get in to the second and final one of the video. By the way guys, there will be parts to this. That is the only reason why I'm only doing 2 games, because there's no way someone can level up someone to level 10 in 2 games. So destroy them barricades. So, I find it good to do. It might not actually be good to do, but yeah. Oh hey sunny boy. No, bitch. Stalled. Oh, fuck you. Do that. Start it up. And now destroy. Oh, there's blood trail. Oh hey. No. Thought I really had it then. Bitch. Yes. First kill of the round. Bet this won't be the last. And now I just completely disappeared. What the hell? Right. Now I'm back to like life, maybe you could say. I don't know. Oh, I'm going up. I can't seem to find anyone. I thought there was someone there then. I'm just tweaking out. Shut up, stupid chickens. Oh, hey, cook. Oh, fuck. He got it. Shut up. I'm just gonna try to break as much as I can. Yeah, I just caught myself in a trap there. Let me just go through here real quick. Lock it. Make sure to lock the doors behind you. I would give that to any beginner. Well, I'm a beginner, but I would give it to any person that doesn't do that then. I don't know. Someone who literally just started today or something. I don't know. I haven't seen anyone in a while. I think I'm gonna go back over there and check it out. We'll lock that back up. Did I just see someone? Yep. Hey, is that Anna? Of course I can't go through there, of course. Okay. So, let me just go through here. Just to see if she's in here. Don't think she is. She probably went out over here maybe, I don't know. Or we know all the maps. I don't think see anyone over here. I won't check because I'm just lazy like that, you know. What the fuck? I am tweaking. I must be tweaking. There's no one. There's literally no one there. Might have been over here though. I saw it though. But I don't think it highlighted anyone. That is bad. Maybe. Oh, he's not hungry. Oh, yes, he is. The chicken's just bucketed. Destroy this because oh fuck, his cock scared the living shit out of me. The hell? Why I shouldn't be scared? Oh, that's Hitchhiker. So you just came from over there, so it's just Hitchhiker and Cook. I like Hitchhiker. I've got him. Oh, hey! Yes, I got it. Let's just pick up. He's trying to steal my kill. Get away, Cook. Told you it won't be the last. That's brutal. Imagine that happening to you. I just wouldn't go out into, like, you know, creepy house looking for my friend that got kidnapped, by the way. So, okay, so we need to go over there now. Oh yeah, you got him, I think. Oh, was that Sunny? Down in the bushes, no? Doesn't look like he's in the bushes, does it? We need Grandpa to go off again. Oh, that's Hitchhiker. Really thought I was onto something. Oh, there's 2 people alive. Kinda need none people alive, you know. That would be great. Please, bro. Someone just... I'm more thinking there's at least someone, but now there's like hardly anyone. Unless they're getting chased, they're just not moving. Oh, I was gonna feed him, but he's probably got more than me. Blood harvest is higher. Doesn't Sissy have the most, like, basically, like basic Sissy? Are they over here? I'll go with Hitchhiker. Actually, no, I won't. Yeah, that was a bad decision. Shouldn't just wasted my time. Oh yeah. Wait, can I not? No. Oh, what the? I can't see anything. There we go. My game was just glitched. I killed 3 people. Damn. I'm already carrying, bro. Oh. So you wanna come over here? Yes. 4 people. Killed all of them. All by myself. It's all me. All me. Douche. Come on. Leatherface masterclass right here. Ton of XP. Didn't get a lot of SP though. I got a new unlockable. I think it's for Leland. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We got a total of 5 kills throughout the whole video. I was hoping we got way more in the first game, but we made up for it in the second game. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you all in the next one. Goodbye.